In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Instagram. First thing first, let's launch the app. Let's go on the actual feed and let's find someone. Let's say, for example, I want to block this profile over here. You want to click on the profile, right? And then you want to go ahead and click on the three dots on the top right corner, okay? Then you have the options to either restrict the account, block the account, or report the account. You see how these three options are highlighted with red because they all have something in common. So the first option, restrict, simply means that when you actually click restrict, you will have this. You will limit unwanted interactions without having to block or unfollow someone. This means that if they keep harassing you, bullying you in the comment section, when they comment, only you and then will be able to see the comment. When they're restricted, no one else who is commenting, liking, who will see their comment, okay? So they will be thinking that they're commenting and you don't delete the comments, you don't hide the comments, but the comments will be actually hidden from anybody else in the public. Only they're gonna see the comment, so they will be okay, satisfied. You're gonna see the comment, but no one else will see the comment. Also, you will control if others can see their new comments on the post. This is what I mentioned, replying with stickers, so on and so forth. But let's say you really want to block them, right? Nothing else can be done. You click block. This is what is going to happen. When you block them, they won't be able to message you or find your profile or content. Your handle will simply disappear. They won't be able to find you. They have to probably create a new account and then they can find you probably. They won't be notified that you block them. This is something very important. I know a lot of people are searching for the way to block someone else without them being notified. How you can unblock them? Well, there's a special function I'm going to share with you in the next video where you can actually find a list of accounts that you blocked in the past and how you can unblock them. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.